How do you fit the power of a full fleet in just one truck? The Switch and Go solution unlocks the possibility to do more with less. Switch and Go is a simple-to-use interchangeable truck body system that allows for one truck to always have the body that best suits the job. Supercharge your productivity with the flexibility to tackle any need. The versatility of Switch and Go can expand your business's service offerings. Interchange several work bodies to do multiple jobs throughout the day. Fewer vehicles means less maintenance, fewer drivers, and a higher return on your investment. Fully detachable bodies means your cargo can be dropped off at a work site while your vehicle keeps on moving. The Switch and Go system has been fully engineered with enhanced features, such as ground level loading and secure body locks to make usage safe, fast, and easy for operators. The hoist is built with a strong, rigid frame that will stand up to years of challenging use. With a choice of electric over hydraulic and full hydraulic hoist systems, Switch and Go can tackle whatever the workday throws at it. Work smarter, not harder. Maximize the value of your vehicles with the flexibility and efficiency of the Switch and Go solution. Easy to install, easy to use, easy to maintain. Discover the possibilities to do more with less.